you guys ready to look gorgeous, beautiful, stunning, gorgina, flalila, bulalulu, alalala, gorgeous, flawless? Bitch, honey, I'm about to let you guys have it right now. I don't even know what word I said earlier, but you know what it means. We're about to look stunning. So you guys keep watching because I'm about to literally get in drag with you guys. Mwah! Keep watching. Woo. Okay, you guys, before we start, do not clock me right now because my nail broke and I've been literally biting it off, which is obviously so gross. I literally broke it in San Francisco and I'm just kind of like, ugh. I hate going to the nail salon because it literally takes so much energy to literally sit there all day and do nothing. I'm just kidding. I can't believe it. The weather is so beautiful. Since I bronze so much, I want to know if you guys would like me to test some bronzers. I know bronzers are a huge thing when the weather gets a little warm, and I am a bronzer fanatic. So if you would like me to test out some bronzers, please in the comments down below. Give me, they don't have to be new. It can just be something legendary. Now you guys know I am obsessed with the MAC Cosmetic Give Me Sun Bronzer. I use this religiously. And I also love the Morphe, the Glamour Bronze. Now this color is in Megastar. So if you guys have seen me bronze up a lot, those are the two combinations that I use a lot. In the comments down below, if you guys have, give me 4 bronzers. I need the brand, I need the name, and I need to know where you can get this. And just test them. We're gonna go ahead and prime my face. Everything is like just, oh, I like to get on the neck, just in case I bring the makeup down. Now my face is ready to go. In the office, I have Too Faced Born This Way. I don't think this is a new foundation. I think this has been out. Honestly, to me, it's new. I don't really wear Too Faced. It's just because I don't know much about them. Now, you guys know, I'm very curious when it comes to foundation because it is very hard to find foundation for me. So, this is the Born This Way foundation. It's oil-free, undetectable, medium to full coverage foundation. It's hydrating, long-wearing, photo-friendly, which I'm obsessed with. 100% blurred imperfection. 100% said this foundation made their skin look absolutely perfect. 100%. It literally says right here, 100%. 97% said this foundation provided natural coverage. So far, I am like game on. Let's get this going. I love like this nice little packaging where it's like kind of that foggy glass feel. In the concealer, we're gonna go ahead and pull out the lightest one. This one's called Cookie. And Cookie is a super coverage multi-use sculpting concealer. Highlight, retouch. And this is the bottle. It literally looks like the mom bottle. That's so cute. I love that. And then we're gonna go ahead and pull out Warm Sand. I picked these shades because there are spots on my face where I would really want coverage. It did say medium to full, so I was a little scared of that. And I picked the color Toffee as a darker color to kind of give myself a little contour moment. And then also, this is the translucent medium. And inside, this is the packaging, so it looks like your very pretty translucent powder. Pulling this out, this is the powder itself. So this is an oil-free complexion powder. This powder, 96% said the formula felt comfortable on the skin. After using for 1 week, this is in bold letters, 95% said this formula helped control shine. 90% said this formula provided natural coverage. 91% said the formula made the skin look smoother. You just took my heart. I melted and went to heaven. I am very excited. So let's go ahead and take that out. So I'm gonna show you guys the actual powder case. It's so adorable. Literally looks exactly like the loose powder. What a cute little way to kind of have like a little collection. Like it's so adorable. I'm gonna go ahead and start to conceal under my brows. Now you guys know I love to do this. Look how big this brush is. Like I'm so nervous. Oh wow. Wow, that's definitely not the color I would put under my brow. I really love the coverage. So far, like this coverage is definitely full coverage. Like look at that. Oh wow, that is really full coverage. The color is more on the yellow tone, but I'm not against it because I know how to really warm up my face if I need to. Whoa, like look how much, like literally a little goes a long way. But this is like really good coverage. Look at that. That's crazy. Wow, okay. Cool, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go with a little bit of Jeffree Star. Now you guys know I like to kind of keep it very light, right underneath my brow. Like that's usually the color that I go for. I didn't know the schematic of the Too Faced products, so I just kind of picked colors that I think would match my skin tone. So that's just kind of like a sketch. Okay, I'm just gonna cover up these little spots. I'm just gonna do it on my beard. The concealer is more on the thicker side, but you don't really feel it, which I do like. I don't mind feeling foundation, to be honest. I think if you feel it, that's my way of knowing like the coverage. That's so crazy how the concealer looks like my color, which is good because the foundation is a little darker than I expected, but I can mix that in. So I just literally took the concealer, I just kind of covered up my beard, did underneath my brows. The foundation is a little darker than I expected. Whoa, look how pretty that is. And honestly, on one side of the face, I just do like 2 pumps, and then on my forehead, I do just 1. Literally, it's like blending. I think this is like so far my favorite foundation color. So I'm just kind of taking the beauty blender and just really pressing that foundation into the skin. You guys know I do this every video. Yeah, I should have got a lighter concealer, but it's okay. Wow, the texture of my skin looks so smooth. And honestly, like, you can't like feel it. I'm gonna go ahead and pick the Urban Decay Stay Naked. And I'm just gonna do like a quick little swipe. You guys know I go light, honey. And then now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the same concealer in Born This Way. This is a darker shade. And I picked this color to do a little contour moment. I know like this formula is not the same formula as the Urban Decay I just used, but it's okay because we're gonna go back, we're gonna set it. Taking your beauty blender, let's just go ahead and just press that into the skin. I haven't contoured with cream in so long, and I'm kind of like, should I do it again? Should I contour with cream again? Like, look at that. What? I don't know why I stopped. This is gonna be hard. Oh, what the fuck is going on with my nose? Yeah, I hate my nose. What the fuck just happened? Let me fix my fucking nose, bitch, because that shit was not cute. Okay, that's better. Did you guys not fucking see what's going on? I was like, what the hell is going on? Okay, we're getting somewhere. Perfect. All right, you guys, so see, highlighted. Nose is not the nose that I usually do, but I'm okay with it. Now I'm just gonna make sure everything is pressed. Yeah, the nose is not, I'm not used to this nose, but it's okay. I'm not mad at it. All right, so now taking out, this is the Born This Way setting powder. Now this color is in translucent medium. Oh, wow, so that's how you do it. So there's a cap. You literally open up the cap, there's a cute little heart, and you just kind of pour it out like that. Oh, wow. Oh, babe, that's pretty. Just set that face. Whoa, okay. Let's take some time to talk about this. I look different. I feel like my skin doesn't look so hard, or I wanna say like rough. This powder made it so smooth. So far, I like it. I like this a lot, but I can see like this nice little glaze of like airbrush moment happening that I'm actually really into. I'm gonna pull up my favorite highlighting powder. Now this is just your like average normal highlight powder. I love a really, really bright highlight. So far, you guys, using this foundation collection, like it literally is so easy to wear. So I'm feeling pretty motherfucking cunt. Right now, I'm just really highlighting the mountains of my face with a little bit of like a white powder and just kind of, see, just kind of glowing myself out a little bit. The nose, I will say, is not my normal nose. So now let's go ahead and do this baking. So I pull out the Jeffree Topaz and just bake underneath. Like that, like that. Since I contoured with a darker concealer, I don't think I need to really bronze so much, which I actually think I'm gonna have to jump back into just doing that again. I don't know why I stopped. I feel like I don't even need to bronze anymore. Like, I like this combination a lot. Wow, I am like super, super, super amazed for sure. And you guys know I like to kind of take a little bronzer and do the bridge of my nose. And I take a little bronzer and I kind of go like this on the bottom. Take a pretty white color and just kind of pinch it like that. Now I'm taking a contour color. This is one of my favorite bronzers. I'm gonna go ahead and start with Megastar to kind of give me like this nice contoured moment. Okay, and then after that, I usually take a bigger brush with the same bronzer, you guys. Take a bigger brush. This is how you go and blur it out. You just take it and you just blend it up. Brush everything off. We're gonna set my makeup. But so far, I'm like really, really obsessed. Okay, take that. We're gonna go ahead and set the makeup and with a little Morphe. Now when I set, I like to set. We're gonna go ahead and try the multi-use complexion powder in warm sand. I'm literally gonna take the brush and just kind of pack it just like so. So literally 360 all over the brush. And I'm just gonna take it and just really brush it on the face. I really do love my skin texture, you guys. Like, I'm actually very, like, I think it's because I can't even talk because like I'm like super in love with it. So now let's go ahead and get into the eyes. Now eyes today, you guys, I'm gonna really just do one full like color. Today we're gonna go ahead and skip primer. We're gonna skip primer. I think we're gonna do greens. I love greens, and I think for today's lips, I'm not gonna pick it yet, but I think it's gonna go really well with the lips. Let's go ahead and get some white liner on the bottom. Getting that white liner on, you guys. So I want like that liner to be super, super thick, like so. So let's go ahead and pull a primer. JK, you guys, I'm just playing. I'm gonna pull out some Urban Decay. I see you guys are probably like, bitch, Kimora, I told you. Kimora with no primer, what is she saying? This brush has a little bit of green on it, so it's kind of smearing all over my eye a little bit, which is okay, because I'm gonna go ahead and do green anyway. And then I just do a little bit on the bottom to really make sure that shadow stays. All right, you guys, pulling out the Morphe. This is Make and Bank in palette 18B. We're gonna go ahead and dive into these today. Now, the colors that is really gravitating towards me are these two colors. Like, I'm obsessed with these two colors. Like, literally this color. I love this color. It's like a darker shade of the money color. And then we're gonna maybe add some of this nice shimmer on top. But first, let's go ahead and get this nice green shade on my lid. I forgot about this palette, so I was like, oh my god, I'm like very excited to pull it out again. Oh, that's so pretty. Just really giving me like that nice green shade on the lid. Now you guys, I apply my shadow super fast, so I expect you guys to. So just taking that brush and just really, really, really blending it up. Whoa, that is green. Oh my god, I love it. So green, so pretty. Now let's go ahead and dive into this really, really pretty shimmer color. Ah! I'm literally fucking spraying it everywhere. Okay, wet this brush and let's go ahead and just make sure that lid is so shimmery and green and pretty and full of like money. Same thing on this side. Make sure that brush is wet. Okay, so now we have that color on. Taking the first brush that we used again, you guys, just lightly go ahead and tap into that darker shade of color. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this color right here. I don't know the name of the shadow because I threw away the names, but just go ahead and take that color and just really blend it all the way in to really give you some dimension, just like that. And same thing here, you guys, blend it all the way in. And now the fun part's gonna start. So taking a skinnier brush, so taking that same color we used, the first color that we used in the beginning. Now let's go ahead and shade underneath. And you guys, on the bottom, I really put shimmers. Dipping into the darker color, just really let's combine that color. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. It's turning out exactly what I want it to be. All right, you guys, so now taking a liner, let's go ahead and just do a thin line on top. I said thin line and that's my thin line, okay? Just a thin line. That's my thin line. Bitch, that was not even a fucking thin line. Wow, that is like, oof. I am so obsessed with my skin. Like, y'all don't even know how obsessed I am. Taking a brush, now let's go ahead and dust off all of that topaz color. And then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add some blush, and then we're gonna get right into lashes, you guys. Okay? So we have blush on, everything is set. Let's go ahead and add some shimmers. Like, I wanna add like a nice, like soft green shimmer around my eyes. Ooh, okay, a little Melt Cosmetics. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm just adding a little Melt. Oh my god, I'm so excited that I put that. Oh my god, that made such a difference. That green just like gave me the whole life that I needed. Highlighted just a little bit. That's pretty much it. I don't want to like be so highlighted in this look today. Now it's time for the lashes. I'm going to pull out some big lashes that I've used before, but we're going to go ahead and need some very small individual lashes that you can cut. So I'm going to go ahead and use these. I feel like these will be so pretty on the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and cut these. Now I am going to go ahead and do the bottom lashes first. Okay, so if you guys have never literally cut lashes before, there's no wrong way. So what I usually like to do is I like to kind of cut it in half so it kind of goes like that size. What I want to do now is take this lash and I'm going to go ahead and cut this in half. So you're going to keep on continuing to cut them in half. I know this is kind of confusing because I wish I could show you guys. So this is the side that goes in the inner corner. It starts from short to long. I want you guys to cut the two shortest lashes together. So now you have this cute little moment. So basically when you have your lashes cut in pieces, it should just basically look like you just dissected the lash in the perfectly organized way from short to longest, okay? We're gonna go ahead and start on this side first. So I'm gonna go ahead and just place on the bottom of the eye, just like that. And then let's go ahead and place a long one in the middle. Same thing on this side. Now remember you guys, we don't want no wonky lashes. So far we have like that, right? Now I usually like to start on the outside and then go finish up on the inside. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Now take the longest and put it on the outside. Same thing on this side. Like I said, you guys, there's no wrong way to do this. I love this glue because it's so fucking fast. Oh, I love it. Now we're gonna go ahead and work the inner corner. I'm gonna go ahead and do just one more here, and then voila, we have a good old bottom lash moment. Oh, I love it. And as it dries, you can take your finger or nail and just kind of groom them the way you want it to kind of dry. Now pulling out a lash tweezer because I have nails, let's go ahead and put on the big lash. Honestly, bitch, as I'm looking at my skin, I'm just like gagging. I'm like gagging. Okay, now it is time for lips. I love Lady Gaga. I love Lady Gaga. HAUS Laboratories, Lady Gaga, they just released the Le Monster. Now, you guys have probably seen this around Instagram, but this is the lip crayon, and they are so phenomenal. They are in shape like crayons. I don't know if you guys can purchase it in this full collection. I'm so excited for this. So we're gonna go ahead and pick a color from this collection. What I've seen online is that she only uses this as liner and to fill in your lips. So think of it almost like a super universal, amazing Mother Monster liner. I think for this look today, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and do, ooh, what about this one? So this one is called, oh, look at my nail, oh my God. This one is called Destroyer. I'm just gonna test this color on my hand right here. Oh my God, that's so pretty. I might do that. I'm gonna set that aside. So this is the orange. Now, I think the Destroyer color is gonna be really pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and pull out Destroyer. Let's go ahead and get this on. Whoa, it's like butter, you guys. Honestly, that is like one of the most easiest applications I've ever did in my entire life. Oh my God, that was so fucking easy. Oh my God, that was so easy. So now I'm just really filling it in. Oh, that is so fucking cool. Look how like pigment it is. It's so like, wow. Well, bitch, I'm done. Oh my God. Oh, I'm like so in love. Wow. So I just took a little white liner and I just kind of like elevated my eye a little bit. Oh wow, I'm so happy I did that. Alright, you guys, so I'm just taking that white liner. Okay, bitch, I just totally elevated my look to the next level. What the hell do you guys think? I'm super satisfied. I'll be right back. Boom, bitch! I am feeling Gorgina, ferocious, sickening, cunt, fabulous, beautiful. Honey, like, oh my God, I'm like super fucking gagging. I hope y'all learned something today. I hope y'all got some great tips and pointers. And honestly, like, I am just so like, so excited that that foundation worked out perfect. Like literally, this is gonna be my fucking foundation for life. I feel like it was this loose powder. It literally made everything so silky and so buttery and so perfect that I was like, oh my God, gag. Also, shout out to HAUS Laboratories for this launch, Le Monster. So if you guys are ready for some new lip product, get one now. Like you guys, literally, I don't even feel it on my lips, which I'm so fucking like surprised. Like it's so matte. I didn't even need to use a liner and it literally made my lips perfect. But in the meantime, you guys, hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 50K. Before I log off and before I say happy weekend to you guys, I just want to take this time to let you know that I genuinely do love you guys. I know 50K is not a lot, and I understand that 50K, I mean, to some people it is a lot, but to me, it's not about the subscribers, it's not about the followers, it's not about any of that. Let me tell you something, I am a creative person and I love makeup and I love getting inspired and I love playing with makeup and I honestly love playing dress up. So I want to take this time to thank you, all my subscribers. Thank you so much for allowing me to be in your life and allowing me to show you guys my just creativity. Hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see me again. I have videos out every Tuesday and Friday at 10 a.m. Pacific time. So I will see you on Tuesday. Happy weekend. I love you guys. Mwah.